Hi guys. Good morning, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone, guys? Can you please confirm? Is I'm audible, guys? Hello. Anyone, guys? Can you please confirm? Is I'm audible?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Right. Right. So, guys, yesterday, we discussed about what are the different the Power BI tools are there. So, what type of tools you have to install. So, yesterday we discussed about those particular options, guys. So, once again, just if you recap the last session. So what we discussed in, guys, just give me a second. Yeah. So this is the one, right? Yesterday we have discussed about that. So yesterday we just discussed about what are the different types of Power BI tools we have to work with them. So we'll work with Power BI only, guys, but we'll work in a different modes, guys. One is a Power BI desktop. As I told you how to install it also, it is basically compatible for desktops and laptops. And that is a main designer tool, guys. And you have to download it from the Microsoft website. I shared you the link and all of you hope you downloaded it, guys. And after that, I discussed about the Power BI mobile. The Power BI mobile is nothing but it is compatible for which is for our tabs and mobiles, where we can only view the reports. We can't design any reports with the help of the Power BI mobile. So yesterday, some of you have installed it also, but it allows it asks you to it will ask you some login name and some email ID. It will ask you. You are not allowed to connect to this particular Power BI mobile. And apart from that, Power BI service also, guys, where it is a web-based service is there. So we have to access it through the www dot which is app.powerbi.com. We have to access through the web URL. And it is a designing. You can also design the reports, but not recommended from there. Mainly, it is designed for management. So administration, guys, management and delivering of reports can be done, and creating of dashboards, creating of apps, and all these things, scheduling of reports, refreshing of the data. All this can be done with the help of this particular Power BI service. So Power BI service, we need not to install it, guys. You don't need to install the Power BI service. Simple. Power BI mobile, you have to install it from in your mobile, from your app store. And Power BI desktop, you have to download it from the Microsoft website and you have to install it, guys. Yesterday, we done the installation also, guys. I told you to how to install it. And the latest update also was released. September update was also released. And even I shown you guys, earlier my system is having the August update. Earlier, my system is having the August update, but after that, I updated to which is nothing but updated to September update. Also, we have been done, guys. Simple, nothing is there, guys. Just search for download Power BI. Download Power BI. Search for the download Power BI, guys. Directly, the link will come here, guys. So download Microsoft Power BI from official website. So this is the official website of Microsoft where we can download it, guys. So Microsoft.com only. So it is going to be nothing but this one, guys. So just simply we have to download. It will ask you which one you want to download. 64-bit you have to download it, guys. And please install it, guys. It is next process only, guys. Nothing difference is there. It is going to be next process. Can you see this? Microsoft Power BI Desktop is a companion desktop application to Power BI. What is this Power BI, guys? This is Power BI service, guys. Click there. It will go to the Power BI service. It will go, guys. app.powerbi.com. So it's a companion desktop product to this one, guys. This is your Power BI, whatever the web service is there, the Power BI service, what we are going to call it as. And whatever we are working is going to be initially, we'll work with all the three tools, guys. Power BI desktop will work, Power BI service will work, Power BI mobile also will make you to work here, guys. Okay, fine. So anyhow, yesterday I told you to install it, guys. So I think hope all of you have done with the installation also. And this is your Power BI desktop that has been created, the shortcut on the screen on the desktop. just launch the application, guys. Just double click on that and just launch the application, guys. Just double click on that. Just it is going to launch the application. So it is going to be Power BI desktop, guys. Just a minute, it's loading. So this is going to be the welcome screen, guys. As you know that, or this is a home page, what we can say that. So very simple. You can, at least you can understand it, guys. It is not going to be that much. It is going to be complicated. So just like whenever we open a Microsoft doc, the Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel, same screen will come, guys. The home page will come. There are some templates will be there here, guys. Here we are also having some kind of a template. Blank report is there. Okay, it's going to be One Lake Data Hub is there, Excel workbook, SQL Server. Okay, learn with some other sample. It is saying about that. Get the data from other. Okay, so we are having, guys, and recently whatever the files that I have created, those it is showing you here, guys. So let me go to blank report, guys, because I want to create a blank report first time. I'll click on the blank report, guys. An empty blank, which is going to be report, is going to be created, guys. This is your how the the environment of the Power BI desktop, guys. This is your Power BI desktop, and how it is going to work here is, guys, it is going to be the environment what we are going to be gets working with that. So what you have to learn the Power BI, guys, what we are going to learn in Power BI, nothing is there. So these are all the different tools we are going to be having, guys. Different options will be there. So why do you require all these options? When I click here, what will happen, or what will contain in insert menu? What is contains modeling? What are these right hand side? We are having something. What are those? On the left hand side, we are having some options are there. So what are those? All these things. Just we have to understand only these things, guys. Okay. So slowly you will understand the environment slowly once you start working. See, programming languages, you have to learn by coding, guys. But this is not a programming language. It's a simple GUI base. So we can learn very easily just with the help of the practice, guys. Only just with working with the environment. Regularly, if you work with this environment, guys, will understand it. Okay. So what is this new table will do? Or what is this particular option called as an transform data? Or why do you require this particular option called as what is new visual? Or let us say here there is some different views are there, report view, table view, model view, and which is going to be DAX query view, what we can call it as. So what are these particular data tabs? What are these visualization tab? What are these filters tab? So just you have to understand what they are used for and how to use those particular option. We have to understand it, guys. That's it. That is going to be basically what we have to understand those particular options here, guys. So I'll explain them, but normally just by explaining, you can't understand it, guys. Just it is only from my side. I'm just explaining the concept, but practically you have to work on it, guys. Practically, you have to explore those particular options from here, guys. Let me show you how that particular Power BI desktop environment looks like. Just I'm drawing, guys. I'm not completely exactly drawing the same thing, but just approximately I'm going to be drawing the same thing, guys. So this is your Power BI desktop, guys. Okay. On the top, whatever we can see, that is going to be nothing but what we call it as. So generally, what we are going to call it as the home menus, whatever we are going to call them as. So it is going to be nowadays, they are calling it as then ribbons, guys. Home ribbon. There are different ribbons are there, guys, which is going to be home ribbon. We are having something called as an, which is going to be insert. We are having something called as an modeling. So we are having different types of ribbons. These are what we call it as ribbons, what we are going to call it as, guys. Isn't it? So we are having something like can help and all these things, what we can see. I'm not writing all of them. File menu, okay, home menu, insert menu, modeling. In each and every option, there are different ribbons will be there, guys. See there, it is home. Then we are having a insert in that modeling, view, optimize, etc., what we are having, guys. See there, these are all the different options what we can see. Home ribbon, insert ribbon, modeling ribbon, view ribbon, optimize, help, file ribbon, all these things what we can see, guys. These are all what we are going to call it as ribbons. Next, on the left hand side, we have some small buttons are there, guys. So 4 buttons are there, guys. What are the 4 buttons? I'm just giving some introduction, guys. Later, slowly you'll understand each and every option. We can understand it, guys. 4 buttons are there. These are what we are going to call it as view buttons, guys. First one is going to be what we call it as report view. The second one is what we are going to call it as a table view. And the third one is going to be what we call it as a model view. And the fourth one is nothing but we call it as a DAX query view. All of them are going to be views only, guys. It is what we call it as DAX query view. So the names are new to you. It will take some time. Don't worry about that. Okay. Initially, you can't remember these names, guys. So don't worry about that. Sir, I can't remember these names. No worries. Just at least slowly 1 or 2 days, if you work, will understand. No need to by heart the names also, guys. If you put a pointer, for example, I want to go for, sir, what is that third one? It's a model view. What is the second one? Table view. For you, it's not required. Just go there and put a pointer there, guys. It will tell you it is a report view, it is a table view, it is a model view, it is a DAX query view. For example, I said that go to the table view. For example, you didn't remember which one is a table view. Don't worry. Just put a pointer there. We don't have hundred of options are there. For example, if there are 100 options are there, I say that, so you can't remember, how can you search all the 100 the options there? So four options are there, guys. Just put a pointer, report view, table view, model view, and it is a DAX query view. So easily you can remember. Once you start working, automatically you can remember them, guys. Only thing is we have to have a regular practice on that. If you don't practice and after that completion of the course, if you open, so which one is report view, which one is a DAX query view, you can't remember them. So there are four views are there, guys. Report view. Just small introductions I'm giving, guys. Report view is nothing but where we can view the reports what I created. So here only we are going to create the reports, guys. Here only, this is the only place where we are going to create the visuals. Then in table view, what will be there, guys? In table view, you will have the tables, no, guys. We'll have the data, whatever the data that is used for creating of visuals, the data you can see, guys. But right now, nothing is there, guys, because we don't have any data there. See, you have not loaded any data yet. Get the data. Right now, there is no data was there. Here, it is going to be model view. Model view is nothing but, guys, it is a semantic model view, what we are going to call it as. The semantic model means the structure of the table, guys. We can't see the data. We'll only see the structure. What are the relation between the tables? All these things we are going to do as part of this particular, what we can call it as the model view, what we call it as. Mainly, we'll use these three only. We are going to use mostly, guys. It is a report view, it is a table view, and it is going to be model view. There is a one more is there called as a DAX query view is also there, guys, where we are going to write some kind of a DAX queries to extract the data. So later we'll see them. Does not matter. Some kind of a scripting and all these things what we'll write in, guys. So it is nothing but report view, it's a table view, it's a model view, and it is going to be DAX query view. All of them are going to be views only, guys. So whenever you see a word called as a view, on the left hand side, you can see the four options. Easily you can remember, guys. Report view, table view, model view, DAX query view. That's it. These are all what we are going to call it as views, guys. Once again, I'm saying report view mainly allows you to design the reports. Table view allows you to view the data. What is the model view? Use it to see all the table structure, relationships, all these things. And DAX queries views is basically used to write the DAX queries to extract the data, guys. And on the right hand side, there are three panes are there. These are called as a panes, guys. Pane. Pane is nothing but just like a window. So we have a different panes are there, guys. Filters pane. We are having a filters pane, guys. We are having something called as a visualizations pane is there. And apart from that, we are also having a data pane was there. Okay. So what is the data pane contains, guys? Data pane, these are called as a panes, guys. If you want, you can see there. So just put a pointer there. Put a pointer there, guys. You can see that. Collapse or expand the filter pane. Okay, while editing, this also determines how the report readers see it. It is going to be visualization pane, guys. This is what we call it as visualization pane. And this is what we are going to call it as a data pane, what we are going to call it as, guys. So filters pane, a visualization pane, and what we are going to call it as a data pane is what we are going to call it as, guys. So what is the main objective of this one, guys? Slowly you will understand them. No need to worry about that. Just you can just have a look at that and we can understand it, guys. What exactly we are going to be doing here is, guys, simple, guys. Don't worry. Later we'll use it. Unless and until you don't use it, guys, you can't remember them, right? It is going to be once, unless and until you don't have a look into that, once practice them, you can't remember it, guys, right? So that's why what we are going to be gets doing here is, guys, simple. This is filters pane. Filters pane is nothing but what we can say is, guys, It is going to be whenever you want to apply some filters to the reports, what type of filters we can see. Just an idea. You see there, guys. Apply the filters on this page. Filters on all the pages. Can you see there? Filters on this page. Filters on all the pages. What we can say that. Even there is some more also. Visual level filters also there, because there is no visuals. It is not showing you. These are all the visualization components, guys. So what visuals we can create in Power BI? These are the visuals, guys. Sir, there are very few number of visuals are there, but you said that Power BI is a very, it can create hundreds of visualizations. These are all the built-in visualizations, guys. These are all built-in visualizations, guys. But there are so many other external visualizations are there, which we have to download from the Power BI store will be there, guys. App Store, just like our mobiles will have app stores will be there. Same as it is in our mobiles, same as it is here also, we are having a Power BI, which is going to be Visual Store will be there. From there, you can download, guys. Almost all 600 plus visuals we are having, guys. It's not mandatory that you have to learn all the 600 visuals, guys. So just we have to maximum, we'll try to, like, these are going to be commonly used, guys. That is the reason they have been given all these visuals they have been given, guys. So you should be in a position to identify. For example, same technique, guys. You will become expert as, guys. I said that no, guys. Daily 2 hours you practice in, guys. 1 hour attend the session, 1 hour you practice in, guys. So see, all these visuals, when you put a pointer there, it will show you the names, guys. But without the names, for example, tomorrow if I ask you to learn, find out, take a funnel chart. Where is the funnel chart is there? You cannot go and search each and every chart, guys. You should know what is this. This is your funnel chart. This is your funnel chart. For example, guys. So I want to take something called as a tree map. Where is the tree map is there? This is your tree map, guys. Okay, I want to have a gauge chart, which is going to be gauge. This is going to be gauge, guys. I want to have a KPI. This is going to be KPI, guys. I want to know the key influences. These are going to be something called as in key influences. Like this, guys. Just you have to know paginated report. Where is the paginated report is there? This is going to be the paginated report. Like that, we can see I want to have a decomposition tree. This is going to be what we call it as decomposition tree, what we can call it as, guys. Like that. So decomposition currently is not supported for reports that use live connections. Leave it for the timing. Q&A. This is what we call it as Q&A, guys. These are some kind of a metrics what we are going to be using, guys. Like that, without looking at the name, this is pie chart, this is donut chart, this is scatter chart, this is waterfall chart, this is going to be ribbon chart, guys. So like this is area chart, this is stacked area chart, this is 100% stacked area chart. See how I was able to say before going for, this is a card. This is a second one is multi-row card. This is a new card. This is a slicer. This is a new slicer. Like that, whenever I show you guys, like how you are able to identify them with the help of that is way that we have to remember them. Remember means I'm not asking you to by heart it. Don't by heart it anything. Regularly, if you practice them, you can easily, we can understand it. This is nothing but stacked column chart, sorry, stacked bar chart. This is stacked column chart. It is what we call it as clustered bar chart. This is what we call it as clustered column chart. Next one is what we call it as 100% stacked column bar chart. And after that, we have a 100% stacked column chart, guys. See their names? So without putting a pointer, line plot, if I want the line plot, where we have to do, go there and don't search for them, guys. This is your line plot. This is your area plot. This is area chart or area plot, what we call it as. Line chart, area chart, what we call it as. Scatter plot. So it's scatter chart, what we are going to call it as, or bubble chart, what we call it as. So the visualization contains the components, all the visualization, customization, colors, everything is done only in this particular visuals only, guys. See what is visuals are going to be, build your visual. So it is going to be add data to your visual. So add data to the visual, guys. Visual is there. Visual was there, guys. You have to add the data to the visual. So here, what data you require on x-axis, what data you require on y-axis, what data you require on the legend, what data you require on the size, all these are going to be nothing but what we call it as here, guys. So formatting, if you take the visual, guys, we have to format your visual. So right now there is no data was there, no, that's why we are unable to do anything. If you add any data, you can format that particular visual, guys. Colors, changes, background colors, font colors, everything you can customize them. So these are all the visual components. And if any data was there, whenever we want to take some data. From where you have to take the data on the visual, guys? From the data pane only. So in the data pane, it will show you the table data, but it won't show you any table data here. Just the table and the column names it will show you. Just we have to drag and drop it, guys. Just we have to drag and drop in, guys. Just for a small timing, I'm just showing you. Get the data. I want to get the data. From where you have to get the data? I'll explain it one more time, guys. Don't worry. In main applications, I'll explain it one more time. So just I'm getting some kind of a data, guys. As I said that, right? There are some lot of data sets with us. We'll use us all that particular data sets to create our visuals and understand the scenarios. So this is going to be, I just loaded the data, guys. Everything is done with the help of the mouse click only, guys. Only just with the help of a mouse click, I can do it, guys. So data came here, guys. Can you see that? Used cars. These are the columns, guys. But if you want to see the data, go to the table view, guys. There you can see the table data, guys. So these are the columns of the data. This is structure what we can see, guys. Just we can see the structure. What is the structure of your table? You can see that particular data here, guys. See how simple the data I'm going to be loading the data here, guys. Simple data, guys. I'm simply loading the data, guys. X-axis is going to be the price. Y-axis is equal to nothing but I said which is going to be mileage. Don't worry. What is this and how to work with them? All these things I'll tell you in the later classes. We can see with an application, guys. This is a scatter plot, guys. This is what we are going to call it as an scatter plot, what we are going to call it as. Let's model on the which is going to be the legend. Each and every model of the car represented with the various colors. SC model cars, SCS model cars, SCL model cars. Like that we can see with your data, guys. See, just with a single click, we have been able to do, guys. Nothing is there. We are just dragging and dropping, guys. And automatically all these applications are going to be taking place here, guys. That's it, guys. It is going to be how it is going to be done with the help of GUI-based. So learning is going to be very easy. Only thing is, why should I use that scatter plot? When to use a scatter plot? When to use a line plot? Just we have to know about those particular applications only. You have to know about them, guys. So once you know that, creating them is going to be a very simple and very easy options only. We can work with them, guys. Apart from that, nothing is going to be there in this particular implementation. Okay. So that's all about this particular concept, guys, and we can see them. Later, again, we'll see them, guys. Don't worry. Again, we are going to see them in the later classes. Again, we are going to work in the later classes. Once again, we are going to look into them, guys. Okay. So that's it. That is going to be how practically we want to work with them. And this is going to be the way which we have to create it. So slowly you will adjust to that environment. Slowly you have to work with them, guys. You can remember and you can understand those particular concepts. Okay. So this is your environment, guys. This is going to be nothing but your Power BI environment, or the Power BI desktop environment is going to something which is going to looks like this, guys. Already I've shown you how the Power BI service environment is there, guys. Power BI service environment is different. So it is come to something, it is coming different, guys. It is something we are getting a completely different, guys. Here it is going to be different because we know that this is completely the designer tool, guys. It is going to be completely, it is going to be a kind of a designer tool which we are going to be gets working here, guys. So that is the one which we can understand it. So once you know the concept, guys, you can just handle whatever the type of the visualization we can create it, guys. So nothing is there. We'll see that applications later. So close it. Actually, it will ask you to save it. I'm not saving it, guys, but because currently I'm not going to work on that. Once again, I'll show you the application, guys. Okay. And one more thing also, guys, one more time, let me open. So we can open as many pages. A report is nothing but a collection of pages, guys. You can add up as many pages we can add up here, guys. Can you see page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, as many pages we can open it, guys. See how simple we are able to add up the pages, guys. We are able to add up the pages here now. And one more also is there, guys. At the bottom, can you see there is going to be something like a computer and it is showing you like a mobile. That means, as you know that, guys, we can design the reports for both mobiles and as well as even for the desktop as well as mobiles. So if I open the report in a desktop, how it is going to looks like, that is the default option, guys. If it is in mobile, how it is going to looks like in a mobile, guys. So this is going to be the mobile layout view and it is a desktop layout view, what we call it as. This is desktop layout view and this is what we call it as a mobile layout view. That means in a mobile, how it is going to looks like. And whenever it is going to be let us say desktop or a laptop or in a computer, how it is going to looks like this, guys. So at the time of designing, we'll design like this, guys. In a mobile, it has to look like this, whereas here in the desktop, it has to looks like this. So the two different views also what we can see, guys. Okay. So we can delete the pages. If you want, we can delete the pages. Minimum one page must be there. So without having a pages, we cannot have them, guys. So delete the pages here, guys. So that is the one which we can see. So simple, delete all that particular pages and we can work on this application, guys. That's it, guys. So this is all about this particular so-called as what we can call it as this application like this, guys. Minimum one page must be there. I can't delete even that single page. Minimum one page must be there, guys. So these are pages. These are the layout. These are the layouts, guys. Desktop layout view. This is what we call it as desktop layout view and mobile layout view, guys. And these are the four different types of views. And on the right hand side, there are going to be three different types of panes. We can also add some more panes also, guys. These panes will changes, guys. See there, whenever we go to the table view, we have only data pane was there. Even here also, we have a data pane is there, properties pane is there. When you go to this one, we are going to be having a data pane is there. So like this automatically changes, guys. Data pane is common. Everywhere data is going to be common, guys. But whenever you go for the different views, we are getting a different panes we are getting, guys. Okay. So this is going to be just the basic introduction to which is going to be so called as what we can call it as the Power BI desktop, guys. That's it, guys. Just if you know these few options, guys, what is at the top, what is at the left, what is at the right, what is at the bottom, if you know them, so easily we can learn this particular, the learning of Power BI is going to be a very simple option, guys. Right? So that's it about this particular Power BI desktop. But slowly, once you start working with them, guys, slowly you will able to understand what exactly this particular option is going to be meant for, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. With this, we have completed all the basic implementations, guys. So anyhow, tomorrow I'll start with the main concepts. I'll start from tomorrow's, guys. So demos are completed, guys. I told you yesterday. So from tomorrow onwards, the link will changes, guys. I think all of you already, some of you have already registered. So whoever has been not yet registered, guys, please register for the course for the tomorrow's class. So tomorrow morning you will be getting, so if you just get registered for the course, then you will get the new link, guys, and you can join with the new link from the tomorrow onwards, guys. Okay. So please complete off your registration. If you have any issues, you can contact the DurgaSoft team, or even if you want, you can contact me also. So I'll share my number, guys. If anyone have any further doubts or any clarifications, so you can reach me on my you can reach me on my contact number, guys. Okay. It's 800807777 is my contact number. So if you want, you can reach me on my WhatsApp number, or you can call me also. Just first text me. If you have any doubts, then you can just call me later also. So that's it, guys. That's it for the today's class. And we are going to stop it for this with the demos, guys. Demos already, we have already 3 classes, 5 classes already happened, guys. So almost all you got some idea about what is Power BI, what we are going to learn, what is our course curriculum. So I think all of you have got the complete details about, complete understanding about the basics of Power BI. Why do you require it? If you learn what are the different jobs you can get, what are the different roles are there, up to what level of data visualization we have to learn. So you got some little bit idea about that, what you are going to learn, how much time you have to spend. So like this, guys, what is our what you can expect, what we can get from our side. So I said that no, guys, day-to-day recording videos we are going to get in, guys, along with that SQL server, power, the BI, the concepts of BI. All these things we are going to discuss as part of the training program. We are going to discuss about them, guys. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's it from my side for the today's class, guys. So with this, we are stopping with the demos, guys. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with our main implementation. I'll start it in the tomorrow's class, guys. Right? So anyone, guys, any questions if we have? If we have any questions, we can just take up some questions and we can end up the session for today, guys. Anyone? Any questions?
No questions, sir.
No questions, right? Hope all of you are just understood the basic things, guys. So please complete off your registration for the tomorrow's class, guys. If you have any further doubts or any clarifications you require, feel free to reach me on my contact number, guys. Okay. So thanks for all of you, and you will get a new link, guys. Please check your emails. Okay. Who has been registered? Who has been registered? Please check your emails, and I think they will also send it to your WhatsApp numbers also. So please check your mails and please check your the mobiles also, the WhatsApp also. If you have anything, if you have registered and didn't get your link, please text me, guys. Just but text me, don't text me at the last minute, guys. So text me before that only. So just today by evening, if you have registered, you will get the link, guys. But today evening we'll get the link. In the case if you didn't get the link, guys, text me on my WhatsApp number. I'll check with your details and I'll share you the link, guys. Okay. So thanks for today, guys. And we'll meet up tomorrow, same time, guys, but with a new link, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.